All right, the potential is growing for a significant snowstorm across western Massachusetts this weekend, and various departments of public works are getting its plans ready.
22 News reporter Areta Odaya shares how 2 communities are doing just that.
Welcome to New England. Another snowstorm is on the way, and decisions are being made by cities and towns on how they'll handle the snow cleanup. Now, it's still up in the air as to how much snow exactly, but it could possibly affect school, daycare, work, and even power lines. For the city of Springfield, they've activated the cold weather outreach team and are finalizing a plan for their plow workers.
So we probably have a total of, with our fleet and the subcontractors, we're bringing probably about 100 or so. We pay the most around, but it's difficult. Some people just don't want to do the job.
And Springfield isn't playing around with folks who do not obey the parking bans.
Please obey them. We will have police out there ticketing and towing, because what happens is that if you don't obey those parking bans, the street becomes very, very condensed if you have cars parked on both sides. And it's very difficult for the plows to get up and down there.
Something that West Springfield and Springfield both agree on is that with the amount of drivers they do have, it is going to take time to clear roads, and urge residents to have some patience. West Springfield has 50 contractors. Now, this is a decent ratio for them as they have 50 pieces of equipment.
Because of the length of the storm, we might have to try to stagger some of our employees. 32 hours straight is a long time. Fatigue sets in, especially when you're driving a 60,000-pound truck.
And even after the snowstorm and after the roads are clear, add another couple of days to fully clean, haul, and widen the streets. Working for you, Areta Odaya, 22 News.